waking up this morning, it's not a bad start to the day. Still waiting for that sun to come up. Sunrise this morning is at 7:20. Sunset tonight is at 7:34 this evening. Low 60s waking up in West Palm Beach. It's 59 in Boynton, low 60s in Boca, 61 this morning in Fort Pierce. Vero Beach, you're running close to 10 degrees warmer compared to 24 hours ago, starting off the day in the low 60s. Here's a look at our satellite and radar. No rain out there, but a few clouds making its way into the Treasure Coast. A few clouds out there throughout the rest of the day today, but not really expecting to see much in the way of any rainfall. So a great day to head to the pool. Temperatures will be in the mid 70s by 10 o'clock. We'll be in the low 80s for this afternoon. Still in the low 80s come 6 o'clock this evening, and by 8 o'clock our temperatures will be in the upper 70s. Just make sure if you are heading out there that you're applying the sunscreen, the UV index in that very high category today at 10, which means in only 15 minutes you can get a sunburn. Pollen counts also high today, with oak, grasses, bayberry being our main pollen makers. So looking ahead, that dry, warm weather pattern will continue with high pressure overhead. There are a couple of fronts that will pass by to our north, but with high pressure steering that weather pattern, all of those fronts should stay to our north. It's not until early next week that this front approaches the state, and that could uptick our rain chances by maybe next Monday and Tuesday. But up until that point, expect to see a whole lot of sunshine. Afternoon highs today around 83 degrees, 85 for your Thursday, getting even warmer on Friday, highs around 86 degrees, and will stay in the mid to upper 80s for both Saturday and Sunday. For our boaters today, seas running 4 to 6 feet, a light chop on those inland waters. High tide is around 5:30 this evening, low tide around 11:30 this morning. Still a little bit bumpy out there. Also a high threat for rip currents across area beaches today. Water temperatures not too bad in the mid 70s. Afternoon highs today around 84 in Boca, 83 in Boynton, 82 in Jupiter this afternoon with 83 in Stewart, low 80s in Fort Pierce, and those overnight temperatures down to the mid to upper 60s. Could even see some low 70s down in Boca Raton. Here's a look at that first alert 7-day forecast. So again, dry, warm weather pattern will continue all the way through pretty much early next week. Highs will stay in the low to mid 80s going all the way through the weekend. Rain chances only at 10% through Saturday and Sunday. Mainly dry, mainly sunny, and then Monday, Tuesday, a weak front approaches the state. A few showers will be possible. Rain chances go up to about 20%, but highs still staying in the low to mid 80s. So while that front will near the area, it's not really expected to cool us down. The only thing it's really going to do is bring us a few more showers to kick off next work week.